I wanted to show you how to make this effect. It's mainly use the proximity node, and it's very easy. If you use that before, you will understand this very easily. And if it's your first time, or you just don't know more about the proximity node, you can watch this video to understand it. So let's begin. So let's go to Blender 4.2. It's an experimental version. I tried it. So let's go to geometry nodes and press new. And here I will use grid. And I will use subdivision to subdivide it to make more points, more faces. So with more faces, if you displace the grid, the effect will be better. So I will give it level 4, level 7. So next is set position. We will use set position node to offset the position of the point. So here I will use a combine XYZ here, the offset. So first we need to save it. Okay. Then we will import the character. So FBX, yes, this one. This one I got from the Mixman, and it's a free platform that for you to download many characters and character animations. So here I will rename this to ground, and I will drag the built surface to the ground here. And remember to use the relative here. Relative. Make sure you use this or it won't work well. So this is the instance, and first we need to realize the instance to get all the information of this geometry. Next we will use the key node. It's a proximity, and use face mode. It's okay. And we will use the distance here, and map range here. I will get change from 0 to 1 to 1 to 0, because I want to make that if it's close to the character, I want to make the vector like the force bigger to make it displace more. So here I think the ground is very small, so I will use transform geometry, and I will use the value here. Maybe change the value to maybe 5, 6. 6 is okay. And then I will displace the ground by using the geometry, using the character. So here, let's connect this. See, it worked. And next we will need the customization. We will need the waves. So here we will use the scene time. Of course, we will use it to like make this displacement change by time. So, and I will use the mass node, of course, to calculate the transform. So here I will explain the principle. So I will use the sign to get the value between -1 and from -1 to +1. So sign I will use A and multiply and maybe N and plus B, and the B is not necessary, and here minus I will multiply C. So use this method, I can make the value of the Z. So erase that. So let's connect them, and the X here is the map range, and the same time they are the N, and then we will multiply by a number here. I want to change this, and then I will add a number. This is like I think it's called displacement. I don't know how to call that. So next I will use sign. As we said, next we will need a multiply here to change the strength. So click to here. So it will be like this. Okay. Okay, I think it's not right. It's different from 4.1 version. So we will change this. We need more displacement. And this, check this. This is a kind of displacement. It won't change the waves. Just this is not necessary. I will change it to 0. And I need to change the strength like this. This strength is okay. Yes, the command XYZ, there are value here. This is not right, so we delete them, then it's okay. So we save it. So we press play, we see the animation, and this is almost there. And here I will use a multiply, another multiply. See, the all ground is moving, so we want to have a limitation. Connect here. Then see, outside is not moving, only the inside is moving, and this works kind of the mask. And here, to make it look better, we need to set shade smooth. Okay, it looks better. And bake here, bake the animation if your computer is not good enough. And here we need a set material. We use the it stuck. Yeah, just wait a moment. Yeah, we choose the default material. And here I will need a value, 2 value, to customize the rendering. I will need color 1 and another color 2. So first I will use the sign value. It's from -1 to 1, and second I will use the mask from the map range here. So before we go to render, let's see the animation. There are some area like this, they're very sharp. So if you think it's very sharp, we can change that. Make more space, and here I will use the blur attribute. Put it here and change it to vector. And see, it will be blurred. So you can use this as you want. So then we change it to cycle and the GPU. And let's go to shading. This is the default material. Go to shading. Yeah, GPU. And the sample, give it 10. It's okay. The base material is base color. I change it to 100% black. And here I want you to use the attribute. First is color 1. Second is color 2. So we will see. First we will see what is color 1 and what is color 2. We will need a ramp. Color ramp. 2 color ramp. First, connect the factor to the color and see. Change it to emission. See? This is the color. And the color 1, I think, is the sign value. Color 1. Yes, this is the sign value. So I can use the map range to change it from -1 to 1 and to 0 to 1. So we can take this value. Just like this. So, and here, this value, I will show you what's that. Connect here, I will see. This is the mask. So these are two masks. So I will use mix color here to mix them. Yeah. Yeah, note this. I will use the color. We will have this effect. You can just tweak this effect. Like this, and tweak this. Okay, and then we will change the color. Connect the factor to this. This is a mask. We will use mask to customize the color. Here I use green and pink and red and green and yellow. I think violet. Yes, this is violet, and connect the color to this color, and we will have this. You can just customize what you want. And I think this is the whole effect. And we can try the EV in the new version. I think it's better, much better. I will change EV. Yes, like this. You see? And I like the EV in this version. Yeah, after the character fall on the ground, we can move it down. So we can have the animation I made in the beginning. So I think this is the whole tutorial, and thank you for watching. So bye bye.